What's up, Dingoos Crypto? So we're going to continue the DeFi exploration this video with Opyn. And what is Opyn? It is a Ethereum protocol that you can write calls and puts on or purchase calls and puts. So here's the URL. Also, this provides another opportunity such as DYDX in my last video. This protocol does not have a token. So what does that mean? Just like Uniswap, there's an opportunity to interact with the protocol, and therefore when they distribute a token, if they decide to do it similar to Uniswap, you could potentially get a token as well, or get tokens airdropped to your wallet. So let's go ahead. I'm going to personally show you how to use this. I'm going to sell a protective put option. So I will go ahead here, continue, unlock. I'll do this as quick as possible, confirm, and then that's unlocking. Let's go ahead. This is their Opyn monitor. So this is a nice interface to look at all your vaults and all your. So right now I have USDC insurance on Compound, and I have approximately 4 ETH in there. They paid me a premium at the very beginning, and I have like 2 months left. So that was a very easy premium to get. And there's another protocol that's very similar. It's called Hedgic, and it does have a token. So I personally use Opyn more first because it was created first and had enough liquidity right off the bat. Hedgic produced a token, whether it's good or bad. Anonymous team, I don't like anonymous teams because they can rug pull and then they can disappear into the darkness. But there is a pro to anonymous teams because if there's regulations, they don't have it. The government doesn't have anybody to tear down the developers because they're anonymous. But I'm sure the government could find out if they really wanted to. So we're just going to wait on this, but let's move on to more clues. You like clues, huh? So look at this. This is Opyn Discord. Look at this. This is one of the co-founders. There is currently no protocol token for Opyn. We have a strong thesis of community-owned and governed protocols. Our goal is gradual decentralization as the protocol matures. So potentially down the line, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. And on her Twitter, she praised Uniswap's distribution of tokens. So this lady says, hey, we might produce a token down the line, which if Hedgic has, their competitor, I'm sure they will as well, to incentivize liquidity. So she praised Uniswap's distribution, and there's a token coming out down the line. So there might be another. I personally interacted with this protocol 20 plus wallets. So if that happens, that's a very low risk, high reward potential right there. So let's go through and see all the developers. So everything's transparent in the sense that there's no anonymous team members, and all the developers. There's that's not her. This is her that just talked about the tokens. If you go back, she talks about Uniswap's Airdrop. All these people are Opyn developers, and they all have it. They all went to, I believe, either UCLA. I don't know where they went to actually, but it was a school in California. It looks like they started this project in college. Looks very promising. Let's see. Dang it, Ethereum. Come on, dude. Speed the fuck up. Okay. Well, anyways, let's go ahead and let's look at. So here's all the different tokens you can write and call options on. One thing I like writing options is a good way to enter the market and exit the market. So instead of placing a limit buy or a limit sell, you can very easily, if you want to sell the tokens, you can write a call option, earn a premium, and then when it hits that price, the people execute the option and you sell at that certain price as well as gain the premium. And same with if you want to enter the market, you write put options in USDC, and if it gets executed, you buy the token. So if you want to buy ETH, you can write put options with USDC, and then you will purchase it at $520 if it goes below $520, and you will purchase it at $400 if it goes below $400. And same with any of these strike prices. And if you want to exit the market, hey, I want to exit the market at $640 if it goes to $640. Write these call options with ETH, and then if it hits $640 or above, they can execute it, and you sell as well as earn a premium on your contract. So that's a good way to enter and exit markets rather than just buying spot. That is it. I hope you enjoy. OPYN is one of my favorite protocols. I use that, and also has a possibility of airdropping tokens. So comment. I appreciate you watching, spending this time with me learning about OPYN. Comment a protocol in the comments that you want me to explore further, and please like and subscribe. I appreciate all of you. I love teaching and growing with you guys, so if you can just leave a like and comment, I get back to everybody in the comments. So appreciate you. Have a good one.